My previous dental experiences have been at dental facilities that you go there one day and it's one doctor, and you go another day and it's a different doctor. I like coming here and always getting to see Dr. Perrigo. When I come, he knows about my teeth, my treatment. The staff here has had lots of different dental work that they can explain to you about different procedures that they've had done, so they are a good support system for me now having braces. They're kind to me, they're kind to my children when they come with me, and that's what sets them apart. I initially came here to get my teeth cleaned, and I had a discussion with Dr. Perrigo about some things I wanted to change about my smile. So he gave me my options, and the best one, the most cost-effective one, was Fastbraces. So after getting some literature about Fastbraces, I then went on and made the decision to start my treatment. It was fast and easy. I made the decision one day and I was getting braces the next day, and it only took a few hours to get them on and come back every 6 weeks or so and get them tightened, and it's been very easy and painless, and I've been happy with it. I've had lots of people ask me questions about this product, and I've been able to explain it to them, and it's exciting that this is a new product that makes easy, quick work of getting braces. And so that's how it's changed my life, just getting new conversations with people about what's on my teeth and what's going on in my mouth.